When I say who takes care about the space exploration department in India, ISRO is the first name that pops up. ISRO was founded in 1969 and it still delivers a huge amount of knowledge about space with its harnessing space technology and has a world record of sending 104 satellites at once. But ISRO has approximately 2 or 3% share in world's space industry. Well, even with low budget, ISRO has accomplished some major tasks in the space odyssey. But is ISRO the only company that helps India in space exploration? Other private companies like SpaceX and other international startups are wanting a share of around $350 billion from the global commercial market. So this is the need of an hour for Indian space sector to give a chance for private sectors and explore their potential. According to India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam, private sector will contribute its part in the space journey with ISRO. Now, how can the private sector contribute its part in this space expedition? The most practical things are satellite design, improving or adding launching sites, better communication services in satellites, space journey or planetary exploration, cleaning the space junk. But to execute these major steps, there are some smaller steps to be taken care of. Proper detailed policy for issues related to damage compensation, incentives, supporting new ideas or startups for growth of private sector, future of privatization. Having a deep and rich history, India can also study a lot from ancient teachers about space and apply those theories in real life for making rockets. For example, the Shakuna Vimana. Private sector may also handle smaller objectives which may result in larger impacts when applied. Any failure in those objectives or tasks may result in undertaking responsibilities for that sector. Private sectors have to be really precise and error free while delivering products for space exploration. In conclusion, ISRO has managed to face and move ahead from every hurdle and shall always keep doing that. Privating space sector can be another step towards the growth of space exploration with quality and various types of rockets. The private sector has great potential and working together will only make the impossible possible for India. Thank you.